Tired of manually transferring customer data and invoices between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks, wasting precious time, and risking errors? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Zoho CRM with QuickBooks, unlocking a world of automation and efficiency for your business. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Setup icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it. In the Setup menu, find and click on Marketplace. Then, search for QuickBooks in the Marketplace search bar or find it in the Feature Apps section. Click on the QuickBooks integration. Now, click the Install button. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Review them carefully, and if you agree, check the box and click Continue. Select the Zoho CRM organization you want to connect to QuickBooks. You'll then be prompted to authorize the connection to your QuickBooks account. Click the Authorize button. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks. Log into your QuickBooks account. QuickBooks will then ask you to authorize Zoho CRM to access your data. Click Connect to grant access. You'll be redirected back to Zoho CRM. Now, configure your data synchronization settings. Choose which data you want to sync, such as contacts, accounts, and invoices. Select the synchronization frequency. And that's it. Your Zoho CRM is now integrated with QuickBooks. Customer data, invoices, and other relevant information will automatically sync between the two platforms, saving you time and reducing errors. By integrating Zoho CRM with QuickBooks, you'll streamline your workflows, improve data accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your financial performance, ultimately boosting your business efficiency.